Good morning, good morning. Every day is a great day.
And do you know why?
Do you know why? Do you know why?
Do you guys know why?
Because every day is a great day.
Thank you, you guys are awesome.
Alright guys.
Returns 5 a.m. tomorrow morning. Was it you who ordered the tickets?
It was you.
I don't think it was me.
It's my fault.
So bummed with traffic. Good morning, sweetheart. Good morning.
So last day in Seattle, we were actually going to go paddling boarding again today because we enjoyed it so much a couple days ago. I think we're going to go to a different spot today though. Where are we going, Andy?
Portage Bay.
Portage Bay.
Portage Bay. How you doing, love?
I'm doing great. Just doing great. Just taking it in.
Yeah.
I want to leave though.
We're paddleboard official right now. They gave us these little waterproof sacks, which are awesome. You gotta get one of these for the lake, for sure. Hello.
Hi.
Let's roll.
What's your name?
This is for my YouTube channel.
Hi.
These boards are a lot less forgiving than the boards we ran a couple days ago. They're a lot shorter, a lot narrower, and just overall a lot scarier to ride, but I gotta stop vlogging. All for that little sailboat.
We were out there for not
It's a
even
good little
an hour
ride.
and 10 minutes.
Not even an hour?
An hour.
We were there between an hour and 10 because he said they round down.
Yeah.
So
It doesn't really feel like an intense workout, but like if you went out there and like by yourself, you'd probably like get a good workout in.
well,
But
I definitely felt it in like my back and like core and stuff.
But it's more fun just to look around and just be like, oh my god.
You're standing on water. This is what Jesus feels like.
This is
Food time?
Food time.
food time.
Just enough room.
We just got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 new subscribers. Say goodbye, guys.
Aston, are you tired? Do you want some food? With our late flight and our connection, we're not getting to get back in Bloomington until probably 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. So 12 hours of travel. Seems kind of ridiculous, just like going across country, but it's what you do. But you guys are coming with us.
Go easy. Go like this. Okay. Relax. Breathe in. One more time. It's not popping. I didn't want to press hard. I also thought you were really tense. That was good.
Yes. Probably gonna miss this the most.
I know, I'm the best.
The best.
Ever.
Don't give yourself that much credit.
The best ever.
What?
No, the best ever. He loses that shit all the fucking time.
Really?
Thank you, thank you. Almost forgot the charger I've had 3 of in 2 months, so awesome. Bye, dude.
Have a safe flight.
Yeah.
You too, man. Socks and sandals. Socks and sandals. So here, grab the
Yes, you can see yourself and then
Yeah.
you just go for
it's
it.
like basically a huge selfie stick.
The ultimate in selfies.
You need one.
No, I don't.
You do. Deborah.
I'm over 60, all right? I don't need one.
Very damn kind. We do hope you enjoyed the fight today and welcome aboard.
How old is he?
He's 8 weeks.
Oh my goodness.
Yep.
Him and Ollie would get along just wonderfully, I think. He's so cute.
What's his name?
Yeah?
Enzo?
Enzo.
Enzo, are you camera shy? He says, no, I'm a boss. I'm gonna keep ripping this thing up.
Hey, anything to keep him happy right now. Just burning energy for the flight.
Oh my gosh. Thank you. What time is it?
5 o'clock in the morning.
7:07. We're finally making it back to Bloomington.
This is the first vlog that's like rolled over.
A day and a day. It's like just a long day. Man, these travel vlogs.
Good morning. The next day, following day, awesomeness, coolness.
It's the same day. Like
same
it's
day?
all the day.
Oh gosh. You need to shower, you greaseball.
All the day.
My
Hey,
god.
This is water.
Oh yeah. We move out of this apartment in a very short time.
Thank God.
To our new place, our new studio, little fresh starts, and very excited for that. Very excited. Seattle's awesome. Cannot wait to make it out there again, like very soon.
Yes. One final last thank you to Christina and Andy and everyone else that showed us, everybody in Seattle for showing us awesome hospitality.
Yes.
Thank you. And for coming to the meetup. Thank you again. Thank you again.
We'll see you in a couple days. Okay? Wow, that's fabulous hair. Love it. Love you.
See ya.
Bye. Bye, Aston. Bye.